So I just built this boat and I filled up a bathtub to see if this boat will float. And I will do a tutorial how to make it, but not right now. So I'm gonna set the boat, I'm gonna set the boat in here and see if it floats. Well, it just tipped over. Let's see how long it can last. So I'm gonna pick it up, see if it can float again. Nope. Just sits there, falls. And I'm not sure it's gonna be there for a long time. You know what? I'm just gonna wait until it sinks. Oh, it's changing. It's very wet. I don't think it can survive anymore. Let's see if it can hold water. It can hold water. It's pretty surprising. For paper. Well, I'm just gonna set that there. I'll come back in a little bit, see if it's still good. Okay, bye. So, if you are new, just hit the subscribe button. And if you do not have these shoes, they're called Heelys. They have wheels on the bottom so you can skate around. And if you do not have them, I really suggest that you should get them. And I'll get them on to show you what you do with them. Well, I already told you, skate. But I'm going to show you people skating. So you go like this, and you just skate around. It mostly only works on wood and cement, so don't really try it on like cushion like this, because it doesn't work very good. I mean, you can do it, but it doesn't work. And since it's close to Christmas, I already have a Christmas tree set up, 2 presents, and my living room has a TV. A lot of movies. Mostly just watch SpongeBob and like regular show. And that's my couch, chair, stockings, another couch, that, and then that again, and that's my view. Let me get a close-up. And that's the sun. It's gonna suck, but... So it hasn't snowed yet. My window is very dirty. Hasn't snowed yet. And so... made another boat. It's way better than that other boat. See? It's like a sailor boat. And I'm gonna go see if that boat is still hanging on. Nope. I'm gonna put it on the other side. Be right back. It's very destroyed. See? Probably can't see it. I just dropped it. Probably can't see it, but it's very destroyed. Now I'm gonna set it on the other side. See how long that can last. Comment down below how long it lasts, because I'm not taking track or anything. So guess I'm gonna come back when it's ready. Well, I don't know when it's gonna be ready, but I'll be back. I'm gonna see if it's still ready, so I'll be right there. And it's not going very good. And just overtook the other side. And this boat is done. I will do a tutorial how to make it. But that's gonna be like tomorrow or something. So stay tuned. Never mind. My cheek is very white. You know I am white. And if you don't know what this is, it's called a cold store. And at school, never mind, I'm not going to say that because my friends watch me. Alec, Fabian, shouldn't say their names, but who cares? Alec, Fabian, Jezreel. Go check his channel out. I don't know what it's called. Just search up Jez or Jezreel. I don't know how to spell his name, so, And I'm very cringy. So just watch out. Bye. Peace.